Okay, some of you had asked about painting water, so we're gonna do a quick tutorial on how to paint an open ocean or lake, kind of like that. And we're only using two colors: Almost Night, which is a great primary, and Robin's Egg Blue. So we're just gonna start out with a little bit, not a lot of paint on the brush, and just start kind of edging in one line like this, a horizon line, and then just using a left right kind of strokes. You're kind of making like a Zorro, like a Zorro Z, and you just want to put a little bit of paint on your brush and kind of go back and forth in different spots like that. The different areas where you make the, let's see if this makes sense. This Z shape here is going to show the current of the water. So you can drag that and bring it over here or bring it over here, but you want to be making tiny and large Z shapes, and you're just kind of keeping them even on the paper. So it's like the calmer the water, the longer and flatter your Z, and then I guess the choppier and rougher, the heavier it is. It's okay if you overlap some of these strokes, because that's what's going to give your water a bit of depth. So we're just gonna keep adding in some like this. And if you look at, maybe there's an area that just needs a bit more of a wash, you can just take just water on your brush and go over some of the Z's, and they're gonna bleed together and make a nice tone. So about this point, I'm gonna start adding, that's all just with one color. And now I'm gonna start adding a little bit of a counterpoint color. You don't even have to do this, but I like it. So this Robin's Egg Green, I really like. It's a gouache, and its pigment is the same as our Lake Huron Teal. It's just, being a gouache, it's a bit more opaque, so it can sit on top of other colors, and it has a bit more punch that way. So there's our basic water, and then to give you some context, without the context it's just gonna look like a bunch of stripes, but with context we take a wet brush with a little bit of the blue and just do a stripe up above the horizon. That's the bottom of a cloud, and then just kind of, with a bit of pressure on your brush, you kind of fluff out around the top, and this is gonna make a Winslow Homer style cloud kind of appear up there. Very Caribbean. Or Lake Huron in the summer. There it is. That is our waterscape.